Imagine this, you toss $20 into a meme coin, and next thing you know, it's worth $20,000. Or it's gone, and you're eating instant noodles for a week. Meme coins are the wildest corner of crypto, and today, I'm breaking it all down for beginners. You'll learn what meme coins are, how to spot winners, and how to dodge scams like rug pulls. If you have no clue where to start, you're in the right place. Let's get it. So, meme coins, huh? What are they? These are cryptocurrencies that blow up from internet hype or start as a total joke. Take Dogecoin. It's got that Shiba Inu dog and went from nothing to millions because people loved it. Or Shiba Inu coin, another pup-inspired coin that rode the wave. Meme coins aren't about solving world problems. They're about community, laughs, and sometimes massive gains. But heads up, they're risky. Think of them like a viral internet trend. They're hot today, and maybe ghosts tomorrow. Now let's dig even deeper. So, where did these meme coins come from? The first and most famous meme coin, Dogecoin, was created in 2013 as a joke based on the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Despite its humorous origins, Dogecoin gained traction due to its active community and celebrity endorsements. Since then, thousands of meme coins have emerged, including Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, and Dogwifhat, each riding waves of internet hype. But what are these meme coins actually used for? They serve three main purposes. Number one, you guessed it, is all about speculation and trading. Most people buy meme coins hoping their value will skyrocket, allowing them to sell for a profit. Number two is community and culture. Some meme coins represent internet movements, inside jokes, or online communities, giving people a fun way to participate in crypto. And number three is fundraising and utility. Occasionally, meme coins evolve to support causes, fund projects, or offer unique utilities like payments or NFT integration. That's great and all, but how do people actually make money with these memes? Well, it's extremely risky, but still possible. It usually happens in these four ways. Number one is early entry in hype cycles. Buying meme coins before they gain mass attention and selling when hype drives up the price. Number two is community growth and FOMO. The more people join and promote a meme coin, the higher its demand and price can go. Number three is short-term trading. Some traders ride price spikes, selling at the peak before the coin crashes. Number four is staking and rewards. Some meme coins offer staking or reward mechanisms, allowing holders to earn passive income. If you want to get into the action, in this video, I'm going to show you how. But first, we must look at all the risks that these coins come with. One of the most feared entities in meme coins are the snipers. But what are they? Basically, some traders or bots make large early buys when a token launches, and then sell off massively within minutes or hours. This causes sudden price spikes, followed by big red candles, sharp price drops, which can trap retail buyers who enter at a high price. So here's how to spot this. Go to dextools.io or Dex Screener. Search for the token by entering its contract address. You can find the contract address on the project's official page or a blockchain explorer like Etherscan or BSC Scan. Now look at the chart. If you see very large green candles at launch followed by massive red candles shortly after, this is sniper activity. Check the trades section if you're on Dex Tools or recent transactions if you're on Dex Screener. If you see large buys followed by immediate large sells, it indicates bot trading. Then watch for wallets making repeated buys and sells. Click on a wallet ID in the trades list to check if it repeatedly buys low and sells high within minutes. Something else to watch out for are wallet distributions. If a small number of wallets hold a large percentage of a token's supply, like 5 to 10%, then they have too much control over the price. These holders can dump the token at any time, causing sudden price crashes. We can check this using SolScan for Solana tokens, BSC Scan for Binance tokens, or Etherscan for Ethereum tokens. So go to the Blockchain Explorer. Let's say your token is on Solana, so we're going on solscan.io. Then enter the token's contract address in the search bar. Click on the Holders tab. Then look for any wallets holding more than 5 to 10% of the total supply. If a few wallets control a large percentage, they can dump the token at any time. Now, we need to check for multiple wallets with similar balances. This could indicate one person splitting their holdings to avoid detection. One of the key things to check is the liquidity of the token. Liquidity is the pool of tokens and stablecoins available for trading. Low liquidity or an unlocked liquidity pool is a major red flag. No liquidity lock means developers can rug pull, or in other words, withdraw liquidity and crash the token to zero. Small liquidity pools under 5% of the market cap can make price movements unstable and easy to manipulate. And a high sell impact means large sales will cause drastic price drops due to low liquidity. For this section, we are using Unicrypt or Team.Finance to verify if liquidity is locked. So step 1 is to go to unicrypt.network or Team.Finance. Then we enter the token contract address. Then we check the liquidity lock status. If liquidity is unlocked, the developer can remove it anytime, causing a rug pull. If liquidity is locked, we must check for how long, because short-term locks can still be risky. If Unicrypt or Team.Finance does not show the token, we can check it manually on Etherscan or BSC Scan. Go to the Holders tab and look for a large liquidity pool. This is usually marked as LP. If there is no liquidity pool, or it holds a small amount, it's a red flag. And finally, we need to check the trading impact on DEX tools. If a small sell like $1,000 drastically drops the price, liquidity is too low. And finally, the fun part, charts and trading patterns. There are certain price movements that indicate manipulation. High volatility plus sudden price drops to zero suggest liquidity was pulled. So basically, the coin was rug pulled. Bundled transactions and high slippage of over 15% suggest potential bot trading or scam tactics. Pump and dump patterns are common in scam tokens, where price spikes then crashes as insiders sell. For this, we can use DEX Tools or DEX Screener. Step 1 is to go to DEX Tools or DEX Screener. Then search for the token's contract address. Then we look at the price chart. If there are sudden price spikes followed by a complete crash, it could be a pump and dump scheme. Then we check for high slippage trades with more than 15% impact. So click on the trades section. If most trades have high slippage, bots or insiders may be manipulating the price. Then we look at large sell transactions. If one or a few wallets repeatedly sell large amounts, they could be early investors or developers dumping on new buyers. And finally, we use the Pair Explorer tool on DEX Tools to check for bundled transactions. If you see multiple transactions happening simultaneously, then bots may be manipulating the market. Alright guys, now that you know how to spot the scammy ones and cherry pick the good ones, all you have to do is download a wallet, like Phantom Wallet or MetaMask or whatever you like, and start getting in on the action.